As we can see, we have a lady here who is the department attendant. She's not speaking because according to culture, a woman does not speak out loud. She's supposed to be whispering. So that's why I am here to explain. Secondly, she's covering because it's not of culture a woman to be seen. So she's supposed to be hiding, or she's supposed to be covering herself, because we believe a woman is sacred. She's not something that should be just seen anyhow, anytime, any day. So for someone to see her, you have to to fight to see her. Yeah, so as we can see, we already have an activity ongoing, which is okuchunda in Runyankore, or guchunda in Kinyarwanda, and she's doing it to she's making ghee. So this is the process of making ghee. At first she put fermented milk in the calabash or echishabo. This is called echishabo, and echishabo is used for making ghee. So she put fermented milk in echishabo and she started shaking. She's supposed to do like this, or she's supposed to shake until ghee is formed. Before ghee is formed, she's not supposed to stop, because the moment she stops, she's supposed to repeat the whole process. Yeah, it takes longer when you keep stopping than when you do it non-stop until ghee is formed. Okay, after the ghee is formed, she'll have to separate it. And after separating it, she'll cleanse it well and put it here. This is called ensimbo. Ensimbo ntugitama amashita. Ensimbo tugiteekamu omuzigo. Yeah, after she's made the ghee, she'll put it here. Like we can see, it is well smoked. Yeah, it is well smoked and clean. This helps that ghee to yellowish, to give that yellow color, and also it has the aroma, that nice aroma. Nti guno muzigo guba gukuze, waliwo what we call a shabu, the white sauce made out of ghee. So that ghee, it is when you've put it here, nga like ensimbo, nga wagismokinze very well, and like it is well clean. If omuzigo okukula gubadde gugenda kitwalira like a week or 2 weeks, when you've put it here kiyinza okutwalira like 5 days. Yeah, and also it makes that shabu taste really nice. You can tell, like someone who've ever tasted these two things can tell the difference, that this shabu is from ensimbo and this shabu is maybe made out of something